welcome students in a series of Let's Magnify Mathematics. Today's topic is addition.
Two or more numbers called the addends which are added to give an answer sum. See here 176 plus 82 equals to 258. Here 176 is addend and 82 is addend and the result is called the sum. We will perform addition for large numbers. Our question is find the sum of 2 crore 85 lakh 93,614 and 8 crore 93 lakh 41,123. At first, I have written these numbers in place value chart, and always remember, always start writing from ones place, like 4 at ones place, then this 1 at tens place, 6 at hundreds place, 3 at thousands place, 9 at 10,000s place, 5 at lakh place, 8 at 10 lakh place and 2 at crore place. In similar way, we will write this number also. Now we will add 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 6 plus 1 equals to 7, 3 plus 1 equals to 4, 9 plus 4 equals to 13. So we will write 3 here and we will write 1 as carry. Now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. Then 8 plus 9 17. We will write 7 here and 1 will be carry. And 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 8 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 on this place. So it is our answer, that is 11 crore 79 lakh 34,737. So in this way we will perform addition on large numbers. Let us do one more question of addition. Find the sum of these numbers. Here are three numbers, three large numbers. At first, I have written all these large numbers in this place value chart, and I always start from ones place while writing a number. Then we will add. How? Just see here. 4 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 4 11. We will write 1 here and 1 as carry. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 10. We will write 0 here and 1 as carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13. We will write 3 here and 1 as carry. Then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16. We will write 6 here and 1 here. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13. We will write 3 here and 1 as carry. Then 3 plus 1 4 plus 7 11. We will write 1 here and 1 as carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18. We will write 8 here and 1 here. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12. We will write 2 here and 1 as carry. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So it is our answer, that is 42 crore 81 lakh 36,301.
Now let us understand properties of addition. First property is commutative or order property. Addends can be added in any order. For example, here is 58 lakh 29,100 plus 23 lakh 14,312. When we add them, we get 81 lakh 43,412. But if we change the order, if we will add 23 lakh 14,312 in 58 lakh 29,100, then also we will get 81 lakh 43,412. Second property is associative or grouping property. It means three or more addends can be added by grouping them in any way without changing the result. For example, if there is a group 1, 5,432 plus in bracket 6,534 plus 3,225. 2021. If we will add this 6534 and 3221 first, then we will add 5432. What we will get? We will get 5432 plus 9755, and the answer is this, 15187. But if we change the group, if we will add 5432 and 6534 first, and then we will add 3221, it will be like this, 11,966 plus 3,221, but the final answer will be same, that is 15,187. Next property is zero property or identity property. Why it is identity? Because when 0 is added to any number, their sum is the number itself. For example, 1 crore 12,34,506 plus 0, we get that 1 crore 12,34,506 again.
In grade 4, you have already learned about the word problems of addition. One thing that you have to keep in your mind, that to identify that it is a problem of addition, we need to remember these keywords. These keywords easily tell you that it is the sum of addition, like join, all together, sum, plus, combined, in all, total, very common, increase, both, add. So now let us do one word problem also.
In a university election, candidate A got 1,09,32,871 votes and candidate B got 93,45,198 votes. Calculate the total votes cast in the election. So here what is given to you, number of votes were got by candidate A equals to 1,09,32,871. Number of votes were got by candidate B equals to 93,45,198. Now we need to find out the total votes. Here is the keyword, that is total. It means we need to add the votes got by A and B. It means total number of votes equals to 1,09,32,871 plus 93,45,198. Let us add them. You will get 2,02,78,069. These are the total votes cast in the election.
So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.